In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways you can trim your split ends at home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe and you click the little bell. That way you will never miss out another hair video again, and I am uploading every single day for the whole entire month of December. So make sure you're subscribed and click the little bell, that way you don't miss out, because I have so many different kinds of content for you guys on my channel this month, from hair to spirituality to manifestation to hauls, recipes, and whatever else you guys want to see. Leave me a comment down below. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into the video. The first way that I want to share with you guys that I like to cut my split ends at home is really easy. So basically what you want to do is you want to take chunks of your hair like this, and then before I do any kind of cutting to my hair, I like to straighten it, and that's why my hair is all straight right now. And I just like to take chunks of it, and then you want to twist it. And then you twist it, and you're going to start to see pieces sticking out. And you're gonna start to see, if you have split ends, you'll see the splits. So what I like to do is twist my hair, and then go in and just trim off those split ends that I see. This is the easiest, fastest technique, and it works. And you're gonna notice that after you're done with all of your hair, and this is easy because see, you twisted it, so you know that you're done with this piece and it's out of your way. And then you can take smaller chunks, you could take bigger chunks, whatever you want. And then I just like to go in and just trim off the splits that I see. I do see a little bit here. That's the #1 way to cut off your split ends. It's really easy, it's really fast. And right after you cut it, okay, I just trimmed, not even a lot. I just trimmed, you guys saw, just a little bit, but instantly my hair feels so much smoother and softer, versus this side, I can feel the roughness. So you instantly see the difference. Okay, the next tip I have for you guys for cutting your own split ends at home is right after you cut the split ends, you want to use either a serum or an oil, and you want to kind of saturate that, or not saturate, but you want to just make sure that you apply it right at the ends of your hair. And even from here down, because that way your hair is freshly cut and you're putting the nutrients and the moisture right back into it. This prevents a lot of splitting in the future, and it makes sure that your hair is healthy. And it's freshly cut hair, and you're just taking care of it instantly right away. And 2 of them that I really like to use right after I cut my hair is, of course, castor oil. I feel like this is the best oil next to coconut oil you could ever put on your hair. And then I also have argan oil right here. This is from Lakme. And I'll leave these linked down below if you guys are interested in these. These are my favorites. I love using this because they don't make your hair greasy. There is no greasiness at all. So I just put some on right now, and you guys cannot, it doesn't look greasy. It's not weighing it down. It's still bouncy and flowy. I love it. Okay, so the 3rd tip that I have for cutting split ends at home is to use sharp scissors, like I said before. You want to make sure that the scissors are sharp. Now, I have a few hair cutting videos on my channel where I use fabric cutting scissors, and they worked fine, but I do notice that when I use the hair cutting scissors, it feels different. It's softer. The cut is very straightforward, blunt cut. It's easy cut. Sometimes if you use fabric scissors or different kinds of scissors, the blade is not sharp enough, and if you try to cut and it doesn't cut, then you have to keep going over that cut, if that makes sense. It's just easier and better to use sharp hair cutting scissors. It does make a huge difference. Your hair and your layers blend in together more beautifully, and especially for cutting split ends, I highly recommend using sharp hair cutting scissors, because it makes a huge difference, trust me. If I was cutting my hair in layers or just trimming my hair, and I didn't have these on hand, or I was too lazy to grab them, I'd use the fabric scissors. I know I'm guilty of that, but when it comes to cutting your split ends, you want to make sure your scissors are sharp. Okay, the 4th tip that I have for you guys to cut split ends, and I love doing this because it's very fast and I get all my hair. And this is literally cutting the ends. So what I like to do is split my hair down the middle like this, right? And then what I will do is take a rat tail comb And I will take all my hair, and I make sure to straighten my hair because that way, like, I just know everything is even and blended. And it's kind of like my hair cutting video where I show you how to trim your hair at home, but this is a way that I like to trim off split ends, like specifically literally in the ends. Like if you guys can see right here, it's a lot of like dryness and split, like just dryness, and like there are a few split ends. So what I like to do right here is take my scissors and go in and just cut and trim the ends a little bit. And I go in a diagonal way. Now, the higher up you go, the more layers you're gonna have. The lower you go, the less layers you're gonna have. And if you have like a straight cut, then what I recommend is to just bring your hair in the front, both sides, and then you wanna bring it up and just like cut straight, because of course your hair is like cut that way, and if you want to keep it that way, but you want to just do a split end trim, then you just make sure you cut straight. I hope that made sense and like explained a little bit better of how to cut your split, like literally just the ends of your hair that are split. It's really, really easy. It takes like 5 minutes. And you'll feel a difference in your hair. Your hair will feel lighter, bouncier, it will feel healthier, it will look healthier. And the last tip that I have for you guys on how you can cut your split ends at home, this one is really, really easy. So what I like to do is split my hair like down the middle. Okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm gonna be braiding this, right? Now you can make however many braids that you want to, depending on like how much split ends you wanna cut. So this is a really, really quick braid that I'm going to do. And then when you braid it, you're going to see the split ends stick out. And I'm sure if you guys have braided your hair before, like you see like those frizzies that stick out, and then sometimes you see the split pieces. Like I see a few right now, I see one. So I can just go in and just cut it. Like it's so easy, you can see everything. This is really good to do like in front of a mirror. Right now I'm doing it in front of my camera, so I can't really see up here. But like, yeah, it's so easy, and all your hair is contained in one piece. And yeah, you can just get rid of all of your split ends that way. Like after you unbraid your hair, you can feel the softness of it. You see the difference of it. It's more bouncier and flowy. After cutting your split ends, your hair feels differently. You don't lose any length, and your hair looks different. Okay, so those are 5 tips that I have for you guys on how you guys can cut your split ends at home. It's really fast and easy, and your hair, like you will feel the difference in your hair right after you cut it. So I hope this helped you guys, and I'm gonna be uploading a video every single day for the month of December. So make sure that you stay tuned and you're subscribed and click the bell, because that way you'll be notified and you won't miss out on any of these videos. I have a lot of different kinds of content coming out for you guys. So I'm really excited. I hope you guys are excited, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.